everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review this amazing ice cream maker. You don't need to add ice to it. It's absolutely state-of-the-art. This is the ice cream maker. Let me show you what it comes with before we make the ice cream. It comes with its own measuring cup, ice cream scoop, measuring spoons, and spatula. Here is the ice cream unit. It is a little compact unit like this, but it's just push of the button, either for hard ice cream or soft ice cream. It comes with its own recipe book, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some ice cream. All right, so we're gonna follow the instructions. It is 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 200 milliliters of whipping cream, and it comes with its own measuring cup. It's 200 milliliters of that. All right, now you pour it into the machine. All right, so now we put the lid on it. Now you can either set it for soft ice cream or hard. Right, it's finished.
There's the ice cream.
That is really, really good. Perfect.
That honey made it good.
Definitely is better than any ice cream that you could ever buy in the grocery store.